Ho 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 ho!
Experience the sandbox.
Shut up! That's it! Fire! Because you were jumping doesn't mean anything. What? Is Aiden man wood? We escaped! Freedom! Free! Wait, freedom! Free! Follow me inside. Okay, we can go to my dad's house. He knows what he experienced. Anyway, I know we can go to my dad's house. He experienced lots of these things before.
Yeah, and next time, we're not gonna build a freaking fire like you tried to.
The house killed us. Who are you gonna call? Wait, wrong show. Anyways, we need to stay in this forest. Well,
really, Nike? Really? Where are we gonna go? To that abandoned cabin? No.
Yes.
Get out. Go die.
But
I'll go find the food since I'm smarter than all of you.
anyways, but Aiden, one more drop and you're dead.
Oh, dang it, I went the wrong way.
Anyways, I think there's an orange.
Those are apples.
Oranges?
Apples.
Oranges!
Okay, where are you going? Right here.
No, they're right here.
They're literally right here.
Where?
Where I am.
Those aren't
right
apples, those are tomatoes.
Those are apples.
Tomatoes.
I got some apples. Just don't eat it.
Yeah, I got the apples.
Even if they won't punch you in your mouth. Okay. I found some apples for us to eat. Yeah, but don't eat them too fast. Yo, but can't even eat it.
Yes, I did. Anyways, I think that apple was delicious.
I think your butt was delicious.
What?
Nothing.
Just stop saying things. Anyways, I'm not feeling so well. Wait a minute. It was the apples. They were rotten. Why didn't anyone warn us?
Why'd you eat the apples?
Because no one... He's dead!
Like, Nike, you're dead? Screw you, nerd! I said you weren't gonna survive.
Hey,
Nerd.
you're rude.
Stepping on your dead body.
Hey, you're rude.
You should have
The bad guys.
Wait, I was just joking. No, that was my best friend.
That's it. Aiden's a murderer.
So, D, if we build a fire, are we gonna die?
No. Anyways, we need to warm up. It's really cold outside, and I think we can make a fire. It's nice, toasty, and it's weird.
I think we should light a fire. Okay. I'll light a fire.
Or we can build a hunt, which is the smartest decision ever.
Alright, let's do a fire this time.
Okay.
Also, why are the logs so big when we collect them? It's only a fire. Everybody voted already. It can stop now.
No one has voted.
But I voted.
Yeah, that's you.
Okay then. Let's build a... What?
Yeah, let's build a hut. Yeah, that's the reason. Well, I guess we're doing that. Let's split up. And gather some supplies. Yes.
I'm at the door and I can't go in the settings.
Okay. Oh, I found this awesome, convenient cave.
Oh, that's random. Link.
Okay, at least everyone can agree that it's all Aiden's fault that we're in this situation.
How is it? Please explain to me, please.
Run before we have to explain anything.
No, explain. Explain before I hurt your feet. I'll stab you real good. Good job. Now
Where's the cave? I know it's near the camera. Okay, so it's all just quote unquote get in.
Wait, what if I don't get in? Will I die?
Yeah, that's because it won't load. Oh, where's that girl?
I don't know. It's not for her, because she's gonna lose it on this big butthole. What?
There she is. Okay, now.
Push him out. Oh, there she is. Why was she a butt? How? Oh,
Get in.
No sense.
If you want to continue, get in. Alright. Found it. Here.
Get in the cave. Thunderstorm. She was. Why is it hurt?
I wish I had my umbrella. Sad face, sad.
You don't even own an umbrella. Sorry, guys, I'm a goner. Good. Go die. Right now.
But.
Good.
It's so wait a minute. He died.
Nerd. Oh.
Yeah, that's karma.
Wait, I don't want to look at this girl. She's disgusting.
You're disgusting.
You're disgusting. You're not wearing pants.
Anyway, it seems like the storm finally calmed down, but I'm not getting out.
Really? Really, dude? Do you see any raindrops? Do you even see any clouds in the sky?
Guys, we need to team up and help each other.
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Why?
Screw that.
Why? Do you want to die?
Screw that. I'm gonna find my house.
Yeah, go
I'm gonna find my house.
But what is your dad gonna do?
Kill you all.
Wait, what? But I thought you. But King, I was.
He's dead.
It's the monster.
Nerd.
Aiden, that's not nice.
Good.
What if you're in this situation? I wouldn't help you.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's funny though.
No, it isn't.
I knew that. I don't really trust this anymore. The monster is teleporting.
We need to find her.
Wait, what?
We need to find her.
Is she in the cave? No. Is she right here? No.
Let me guess. You're not trying.
Wait, D, where are you? Where'd you go?
It doesn't matter where I am. We have to find her. There he is. Wait, oh, no one.
Sucks to suck. He sucks to suck.
You're so rude.
I know. I can't find him. Oh, he's right here. I'm stupid.
Get back here. I'm not gonna let you kill her. Yes, you are.
I'll let you kill her.
What's wrong with you, Aiden?
Everything.
Aiden, I hope you die.
Oh.
You're so rude.
That's kind of the point.
You're not supposed to be rude.
Who cares?
You know, if you keep doing this, karma's gonna get you.
They're little kids. It doesn't matter.
Okay. I'm gonna call you down. I'm gonna make sure you don't get anything else, and you're gonna do everything.
Yo, young man. Let her go, young man.
But I'm not a man. You just leave me alone.
Young lady. Easy suck at hiding.
Natalie. Oh, what the? Hey, how'd you find that?
Hey, get over. Everything you go. Nah, I see.
No. No, she's coming with me.
The door is locked, bro. I only had a hammer. D, where are you?
I'm over here. We need to.
You need to break in.
Anyways, we need to break in.
I'll take baby girl. Wait, can I eat the apple now? Or let's go die.
No.
I still have the hammer from earlier, because I definitely had the hammer.
Yeah, you got it from someone's corpse.
I can try to break the door with this.
Yeah, but that's illegal.
Break. Ah, push the button.
Don't press the button.
Okay.
Natalie, whoever you are.
I'll press it.
Then
What is this?
If we press it, we die.
I'll save you.
Anyways, we need to get her out of there.
If I die, told my wife, I said she's ugly.
But you don't even have a wife. You're a kid.
I hit no. Don't press the button. All right. That button seems like a trap. I will smash it with the hammer instead. I
Bam.
Way more times than you, little girl. Oh my God! They got
Okay, don't press the gas. Anyways, thank you for saving me. I never thought Trini was gonna have a heart.
Yeah. What? So where's my kiss?
You don't get a kiss. Remember, you hate me. Remember?
What if I type in the chat with my kiss?
Then we all get zapped.
Wait, I won't die. Feed my apple, right?
It's blocked off conveniently, and we are trapped.
Really? Nah. Oh my God! Watch out the floor.
No. I'm smarter than that. No. I had Chipotle.
Oh, parkour. Sweet.
We had to use our parkour skills.